Hey there, are you looking to add some colorful and nutritious vegetables to your diet? Look no further than bell peppers. These tasty and versatile vegetables are packed with a variety of health benefits that make them a great addition to any meal. First, let's talk about the nutritional profile of bell peppers. These vegetables are an excellent source of vitamin C, with one pepper providing over 100% of your daily recommended value. In fact, bell peppers contain more vitamin C than oranges, making them a great choice for boosting your immune system. They are also a good source of vitamin A, potassium, and fiber. In addition, bell peppers are low in calories and have a high water content, making them a great choice for weight management. But the benefits of bell peppers don't stop there. These vegetables are also a great source of antioxidants, which can help to protect your body from the damaging effects of free radicals. Antioxidants are important for maintaining overall health and can help to reduce the risk of certain diseases, such as heart disease and cancer. Bell peppers are particularly rich in carotenoids, which are a type of antioxidant that have been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds may also help to improve vision and skin health. In addition to their nutritional benefits, bell peppers are also extremely versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes. They can be grilled, roasted, sautéed, or eaten raw in salads. You can also stuff them with your choice of filling and bake them for a tasty and satisfying meal. Bell peppers come in a range of colors, including green, red, yellow, and orange, and each color has its own unique flavor and nutritional profile. For example, red bell peppers are sweeter and contain higher levels of antioxidants compared to green peppers. So next time you're looking to add some nutrition and flavor to your meals, don't forget about the humble bell pepper. These colorful vegetables are a great choice for adding some nutrition and variety to your diet. I hope these benefits have inspired you to give bell peppers a try. Happy cooking!